The Fairfax County First Responders standing before you are presented with life-saving awards for selfless actions and exceptional judgment during an emergency situation when an individual's life is in jeopardy.
Today is all about celebrating our first responders and the great work that they do. This is our 38th year of recognizing and celebrating the work of our first responders. It's Fairfax County Fire and Rescue, Fairfax County Police, Fairfax County Office of the Sheriff, but then we also include the police departments from the town of Herndon and the town of Vienna. So those are the organizations that participate in this event.
The Fairfax County Chamber of Commerce and now the Northern Virginia Chamber of Commerce has gathered together with the first responders community to honor those individuals and teams who have gone beyond the call of duty to help make our lives better. And it's an honor for the business community to be part of that. There were 3 series of medals that are given out, a gold, a silver, and a bronze medal. And then there were 2 awards, a life-saving award or a certificate of valor. Gold awards are not given each year, but this year there were gold awards presented to 2 individuals from Fairfax County Search and Rescue Mission that was over in Nepal following the earthquake in 2015.